Now I want to discuss the types of quadrilateral. Broadly, I can say quadrilaterals are classified in three major categories. The first is parallelogram, trapezium and kite. One is the parallelogram, second is variety trapezium and third one is kite. What is the kite? Kite is that kind of quadrilateral where you can observe two pairs of equal, that is, this is the pair A, B, C, D is a, I can say kite because AB and AD are equal and BC and CD are equal. That is what is the kite. Kite is that type of what? Quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Separately, length of AB is equals to AD and separately CB is equals to CD. So this is one variety of quadrilaterals as shown here, that AB is equals to AD and BC is equals to CD. So this is the kite. Kite is one of the type of the quadrilaterals. If you talk about the property in the kite, you can see that one of the diagonal is bisected by other and other is not bisected by first at right angle. There are four right angles forms when we draw the two diagonals, but we say that diagonals BD, the diagonal BD is separated by diagonal AC in two equal parts at right angle. That is what you can say OB is equals to OD, but OA is not equal to OC. If I talk about trapezium, trapezium is that kind of quadrilateral where one side of opposite, one of the pair of opposite sides is parallel and other is non-parallel. That is what AB is parallel to DC as well as AD is not parallel to BC. One of the pair of opposite sides is parallel and other is non-parallel, then we say the quadrilateral is a trapezium. If non-parallel sides AD and BC are equal, then name of trapezium become isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium is that in which non-parallel sides are equal. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. If their length in a trapezium is same, it is known as the isosceles trapezium. Now we are coming for the parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is that kind of quadrilateral where we can say what? Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. I can show you a bigger parallelogram. I can label that as PQRS. If there is a parallelogram, this is, suppose you can say it is PQRS. PQ is parallel to what? SR. You name it SR, not RS. Though it is parallel, but take care about order. If it is PQ, then take SR. And you can observe that PS is parallel to which one? QR. So what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is that kind of quadrilateral where both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. If you talk about its property, that opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, sum of any two consecutive angles is 360 degree, diagonals bisect. So all properties will be discussed. But after parallelogram, there are certain number of other figures. That is what? One the rectangle and other the rhombus. What are these? Rhombus and rectangles. Rectangle is that kind of parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. You have seen many times rectangular plots, rectangular shapes, rectangular papers. So one of the variety is what? Rectangle. What is the rectangle? Rectangle is that parallelogram where each angle is what? 90 degree, and diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect. What is the rhombus? Rhombus is that type of parallelogram where all sides are equal. If it is A, B, C, D, all sides are equal, meaning by AB is equal to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. If all sides of a parallelogram are same, then we call it is a rhombus. If each angle of parallelogram is 90 degree, we call it rectangle. Now the last member in the family of quadrilaterals is that is known as the square. What is the square? Square can be defined as square is rectangle whose all sides are same, or square is a rhombus whose each angle is 90, or square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and each angle is 90. So shape of the square is like this. I can draw here. This is the square A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a square. Each side is same. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AC, AD. So in a square, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equals to AD, that is all sides equal. Also each angle, that is angle A is equals to angle B is equal to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. Each angle is right angle.